Changing your password on Uber Eats is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Password. In Account Settings, look for the option labeled Password or Change Password. Tap on it to proceed to the Password Change screen. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements, such as length and complexity. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, tap on Save or Update to finalize the password change. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Now you can enjoy using Uber Eats with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and change it regularly for added security.